Bonjour, fellow bakers. Have you ever dreamt of strolling through a Parisian patisserie, your eyes feasting on those stunningly beautiful cakes? Well, today, we're bringing a slice of that Parisian magic right into your kitchen. We're going to demystify the art of making a traditional French gâteau, and trust me, it's not as intimidating as it looks. You've got this. So, what exactly is a gâteau? Simply put, it's the French word for cake, but it's so much more than that. A true French gâteau is an experience, a delicate balance of layers, textures, and flavors. We're talking light sponges, rich creams, silky mousses, and perhaps a hint of fruit or chocolate. Unlike a simple birthday cake, a gâteau is all about elegance and precision. Today, we're making a classic, the Fraisier cake. It's a gorgeous creation celebrating fresh strawberries. Let's start with our sponge, the genoise. This is the foundation. For a perfect genoise, you need eggs, sugar, flour, and a little melted butter. The secret, it's all in the whisking. You want to beat your eggs and sugar over a pot of simmering water until they repale, thick, and have tripled in volume. This creates that signature light and airy texture. Then, you gently fold in your sifted flour and melted butter. Be delicate. We don't want to lose all that air we just worked so hard to create. Pour it into your prepared pan and bake until it's golden brown and springs back to the touch. While our genoise cools, let's tackle the star of the show, the crème mousseline. This is a divine combination of pastry cream and butter. First, make your pastry cream whisk together egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch. Then slowly pour in hot milk while whisking constantly. Cook this mixture on the stove until it thickens into a luscious cream. Let it cool completely. This is a crucial step. If it's even slightly warm, it will melt the butter. Once cooled, you'll beat softened butter until it's light and fluffy, then gradually incorporate your chilled pastry cream. The result is a cream that's rich, stable, and absolutely heavenly. Now for the fun part, assembly. This is where our gâteau comes to life. You'll need an adjustable cake ring. Place a layer of your genoise at the bottom. Then, take your most beautiful strawberries, slice them in half vertically, and arrange them cut out, pressing them against the inside of the ring. This creates that stunning pattern you see in bakeries. Fill the gaps between the strawberries with your crème mousseline, making sure to push it into all the nooks and crannies. Add a generous layer of cream over the sponge. Dot it with some chopped strawberries for a surprise inside, and then top it with your second layer of a final, thin layer of cream on top, and into the fridge it goes to set for a few hours. Once it's firm, you can gently remove the ring to reveal your masterpiece. For that professional finish, you can top it with a thin layer of marzipan, a dusting of powdered sugar, or even more fresh strawberries. Look at that! The vibrant red of the strawberries against the pale cream, the delicate sponge, it's a work of art that you made. Every bite is a perfect harmony of light cake, rich cream, and juicy fruit. You see, you don't need a trip to Paris to enjoy an exquisite French dessert. You just needed a little bit of guidance and your own two hands. I hope this inspires you to try your hand at French baking. It's a journey of patience and passion, but the delicious reward is so worth it. Thanks for baking with me today. If you enjoyed this, please give the video a like and subscribe for more sweet adventures. Happy baking!